Good afternoon, children. Today I will discuss question answer of chapter force and pressure. First question is fill in the blanks. For a force to come into play, the two concerned bodies must dash with each other. It is interact with each other. Next, to draw water from a well, we have to dash the rope. We have to pull the rope. 3. An unbalanced force acting on a moving object may change its state of motion or rest and or its shape and size. It can change both. Next, question number A4. In the game of cricket, the balls fall when the ball strikes them. This is an example of dash force. You have to write contact force. Next, question number 5. The force responsible for raising our body hair when we try to take off a synthetic shirt in dry weather conditions. It is an dash force. You have to write electrostatic force. Next, question number 6. The atmospheric pressure dash as we move towards higher altitude. You have to write atmospheric pressure reduces or decreases. Atmospheric pressure decreases as we move towards higher altitude. Question number B. The effect of a force, you have to write true or false for the following statements. State true or false for the following statements. B1. The effect of a force may change by changing the direction of the applied force. It is true. Next. A force has to be specified both in terms of its magnitude as well as its direction. You have to write true because I have already told you that force is a vector quantity. Means it is showing both direction and magnitude. Whereas speed is a scalar quantity. Okay, velocity is a vector quantity. Force is a vector quantity. Why? Because it is specified both in terms of direction as well as magnitude. So it is true. Question number 3. Frictional force is an example of a non-contact force. It is false. Fourth number. A gas-filled balloon moves up. The upward force acting on it is smaller than the force of gravity. That is the downward acting force. It is false. Fifth number. We can reduce the pressure of a given force by increasing the area over which the force acts. It is true because you know children, P is equal to F by A. Pressure is equal to force by area. Means when we will increase area, pressure will be decreased. It is vice versa. So we can reduce the pressure by increasing the area over which the force acts. It is true. Next, question number B6. Inside the bottle filled with water, pressure is least at the bottom and greatest at the surface of water. It is false. Next, question number 3. Tick the correct option. बंद कर दीजिए. Take the correct option. Question number C1. When two forces applied on an object are equal and opposite, then these forces may move the object, may stop a moving object, may move the object and also cause a change in its shape. Next, do not move the object but may cause a change in its shape. It is true. Okay, last option is correct because it is It is equal and opposite force, and it is balanced force. So balanced force do not move the object, but it can change the shape of the object. Last option is correct. Question number 2. The following are the names of some of the well-known forces: gravitational force, muscular force, magnetic force, frictional force. These are the types of forces. Out of these, the contact forces are the forces labeled as, you know children, that muscular force and frictional force is contact force. So correct option is B and D. Correct option is B and D. Now question number 3. Rohini is pushing a box towards the west direction with a force of magnitude F. To help her move the box faster in the same direction, her friend should push the box in the east direction with a force of magnitude F. Pull the box in the west direction with a force of magnitude F. Push the box in the west direction with a force of any magnitude. Push the box in the east direction with a force of any magnitude. So correct option will be push the box in the west direction with a force of any magnitude. Next, question number 4. A container is filled with water as shown in the figure below. In the container, there are 3 points A, B and C. Which of the following statement is correct about the pressure of water in this container? Children, you know, as we go deeper in the water, the pressure goes on increasing. So, if the depth is maximum, the pressure will be also maximum. Now, in this container, there are 3 points. Point C is at the deepest level. So, at point C, since the depth is highest at point C, so the pressure of water will be maximum at point C. So, the correct option is pressure at C is greater than pressure at B, and pressure at B is greater than pressure at A. Option B is correct. Correct, Tanushka? Well, very good. Option B is correct. Okay. Now question number 5. An empty metal bottle has to be placed on a table so that it exerts the maximum pressure on the surface of table. All of you know, children, that pressure is directly proportional to force, effect of force, and it is inversely proportional to area of contact. So when the area of contact will increase, the pressure will decrease, and when the area of contact will decrease, the pressure will increase. In question, it is maximum pressure on which bottle will be exerted. So you see position A, position B, position C. In position C, the area of contact is maximum, so pressure will be minimum. In position A, area of contact is more than position B. So here also pressure will be less. But in position B, the area of contact is minimum. So the pressure will be maximum in position B. Am I clear, children? Position B is correct. Very good. Because why position B is correct? Because in position B, the area of contact is minimum. So, pressure will be maximum. Okay. Now, next question is question number 6. When we press the bulb of a dropper with its nozzle kept under water, air in the dropper is seen to escape in the form of bubbles. If we then release the pressure on the bulb, water gets filled in the dropper. The rise of water in the dropper is due to pressure of water in the container, weight of the bulb, gravity of the earth. Last option is atmospheric pressure. It is due to atmospheric pressure. Okay, children? Last option is correct, atmospheric pressure. You have also learned that the syringe also works on the same principle. The straw which you use for drinking coconut water or cold drinks, that also works on the same principle. Okay, so atmospheric pressure is correct option. Now, question number 7. The length, breadth and height of a given rectangular box are 100 centimeter, 50 centimeter and 20 centimeter respectively. This box is kept on ground in 3 different ways, one by one. Which of the following statement is the correct statement about the pressure exerted by this box on the ground? The pressure exerted is maximum when the length and height sides form the base. The pressure exerted is maximum when the length and breadth sides form the base. And pressure exerted is maximum when the breadth and height sides form the base. The pressure exerted remains the same irrespective of which of its sides form the base. So correct option is C. Okay, children? How it is correct? Can you explain? How it is correct? As you know that the pressure depends upon the area. In which case the area is maximum and in which case the area of the contact is minimum. The area. Hello. हाँ बोलो पुष्कर. Okay, let me see what's the matter.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Now you can see question answer D1. A, B, C you have already seen. Now you will see question number D1. In the following situations, identify the agent exerting the force. Also state the effect of force in each case. Squeezing a piece of lemon between the fingers to extract its juice. What should be the correct answer? Squeezing a piece of lemon between the fingers to extract its juice. You have to say the agent exerting the force and you have to say the effect of the force. Right on the screen. Correct answer.
Mute.
Yes. Agent is muscular force and effect is change in shape and Shy. Very good. Correct answer. Next. A person diving into a swimming pool. A person diving into a swimming pool. Correct answer. Agent is muscular force, and effect of force is there is change in the state of its motion. Correct answer. Next, a laborer moving a loaded cart. A laborer moving a loaded cart. Agent is muscular force, and effect of force is change in the state of motion. Okay? Change in the state of motion. Correct answer. Next question is, a car coming to rest once its engine is switched off.
Agent car force frictional.
It is frictional force. Agent is frictional force, and effect of force is change in the state of motion. The car comes to rest. Change in the state of motion. Type of force will be muscular force, because the force is applied by the muscles of the labor, and the effect of force is, it is car. A car coming to rest once its engine is switched off. It is frictional force, and the effect of force is change in the state of motion. Okay. Now the next question is, an athlete making a high jump to clear a bar kept at a certain height. Agent is muscular force, and the effect of force is change in the state of motion. Okay. Now the next question is,